Good morning. Welcome to Nifty prediction about Monday prediction. Let's see. The ratio indicating negative and average indicating negative, absolute frequency also indicating negative, but weightage indicating positive. So which means three indications are shown in the negative and one indicator in the positive. So which is a volatile marker, but still negative impact is very high. As per the data, it is a volatile market, and the bullish market stop loss level, which is having around 11,764.06, which is too far away on the downside from the previous closing. So the bullish market stop loss level is having too much gap, so bullish traders need to trade very carefully. And the bearish stop loss level, which is having around 11,916.74, which means if those levels are not breaking, them bearish may have impact and go down. But as per the data, it is volatile market. The volatile market range are showing around 11,934 to 11,776. So which means still the volatile levels is also indicating negative side, having a little impact. So need to play very cautiously. The bullish open target level is having around 12,023.81. Anything breaks this level, market will become open target for the bullish. But the downside bearish open target level is having around 11,706. After that only it will go bearish. Otherwise, if this level is not breaking, the market will recover from that low. And these are all the positive average, which 12,061. If those levels are not breaking, then we can go for a short after this level. That is the reason the positive average is given in the red color. So 1.40% in the positive side. So up to 166 points, if the market is staying there, sustaining on this particular day, anyone can go short that level. And but the pivot level is there in the negative side, around 52 points in the negative side, around 0.44%. So which means 11,843. Anything below that level, market will try to go down. Anything above that level, market will try to go up. So anyone wants to buy in the safest way after the negative average, they can buy around 11,696. Before that, in between, in the negative side, buying is little risk, so it may have a chance to go to that level around 198 points in the negative side, 1.67%. And these are all the ranges. So normal bullish range is around 11,995, but open target will come 12,013. So 10 points stop loss, 12,023. That is what we given. And the bearish open target level is around 11,716. So 10 points means 11,706. So these are all the ranges which is in the volatile range. And we have test level which is around 11,726 and 11,737, and we are in this period, these are all the test levels, 11,995 to 11,982. These are all the support and resistance level. We are having around resistance level 4 points, but in the resistance level 1, this is the stop loss for the bearish. 11,016, 10 points stop loss adding, and go for a bearish. If that level is not breaking, 11,916.74 is not breaking, then we may have a bearish market. But but the support level 1 is having around 4 support levels, so which means up to that level we need to play very cautiously, because it may go to any extent in the downside around negative 121. These are all the past datas from the pre-opening. We have 3 positive opening. All 3 days it has ended up in the positive. Sorry, 2 days it has ended up in the positive. 1 day it has ended up in the negative. due to that, the after pre-opening the highs went only around 26 points, which means the difference of opening and high is very meager. So anything goes beyond 60 points, anything goes beyond 60 points, which is always ended up in the flat negative or good positive. If anything breaks, anything not breaks at least 30 points in the positive side, which is in the ended up in the negative. So we need to watch out the previous closing as well as the pre-opening. So from the pre-opening, if the market is breaking more than 60 points, it may end up in the positive or it may end up in the flat finish. So we need to watch out the pre-opening. If the market is opens in the negative side, we need to check out how much high it goes. In this case, the high is not more than 60 points. That is the key. So we need to watch out how much high it goes. It is a volatile market. It's not going to be an easy day. But one key point which we got from this data, the negative side, you can see from the opening to the low, which is less than 20 13 points, which means it is going to be a good finish. And even in this particular level which opened in the 77 points, which not broken the previous closing, so that is the reason it has went good positive. So if the market is opens in the positive side, it needs to go towards to the bullish, means it need not to break the previous closing. Let's see how the market is going to go on Monday. Thank you.